Welcome to a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome with a primary on the first floor. So, I mean, if you're looking for 2 stories, you're looking for a little bit of elegance, this is a nice home. We are in Winterville and it's a townhome. So you do have a private backyard. So let's go check it out. Okay, you do have a nice long driveway. Honestly, you could probably fit 4 cars here if you needed to because it's extended. You have plenty of space. You'll notice already we do have a fence back there, and that is part of this house. So you are going to come in with the fence. Nice bright blue door, so we will be coming in knowing your house is yours. Let's just change that, which is easy. The only carpet in this whole house is the stairs. So if you're looking for the one project to make it unique, then you're almost perfect. Otherwise, everything else is going to be thing. Let's go to the half bath first. Here is a closet so you can hang all your stuff. And then, of course, the half bath with the window so you can see everything. The window's over here. I don't know why this is the only one we can lay on.
Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Also, you can call text all the time, 252-327-3357. We love talking to you. Don't be shy. Also, grab our buyer's guide and seller's guide in the description below.
Okay, now, back to the main house. We are coming from the front door again. And you will walk into basically the dining area. This is where you're going to have a formal dining. You can change the lighting if you want, but it is really like your formal dining area. You can make it into an office if you need an office. Then here is your kitchen. It's one of these ones with the bar overhang, double sink, refrigerator, washer, dryer. Very nice. And it's easy to kind of share when you have a bar. Washer and dryer is here, so everything is first floor living. Now let's go into the main room. You'll notice a vaulted ceiling in this area. You'll see upstairs where you can have a peek of what is going on with the little peekaboo place that your kids could be looking down to see what you're doing, or you can kind of spy on whoever's coming. There's a gas fireplace. And then let's go outside now because I promised you a private retreat. So that is where we're going. Okay, so you have a shed area. You could have a patio, you could put some furniture out there, you could put a little bit more pavers, you could have a nice little breakfast area, and it's just your own little space. And of course, if you are wondering where your storage is going to be, it is right here. I didn't open the door. But you can see you would have a nice little private space that is just yours if you bought this one. Let's go into the primary bedroom. That's exciting. Primary bedroom again on the first floor. I would put my bed here or here. Or maybe even on that wall. I might have, for me, I kind of like, this might be my best spot. But either way, that's up to you. You have a primary bathroom. You have a walk-in closet, double sinks, and a jacuzzi tub / shower in here. So you do get a nice little, soak when you're in here at the end of the day. So let's go upstairs to see the 2 other bedrooms now. Because it is a 3-bedroom, but if you're looking for pretty much where the primary is, everything is on the first floor, this is it. As I told you, the only carpet in this unit is on these stairs. We are upstairs to the 2nd floor and the first of bedrooms. Notice how the bedrooms are still super tall. You have a lot of space, window, double door closet, so your children or whoever you have will be having lots of space in here. You're also getting lots of light from the windows. As here is the overhang, so you can see who is downstairs. And a nice view of that. The 3rd bedroom is here. Still double doors. Plenty of closet space. No carpet. And of course the upstairs bathroom, which is a walk-in shower, not a walk-in, I wish, regular tub shower combo, toilet and sink, so your kids have their own space. And out here you have, of course, the linen closet. So we can't wait to show you this house. If you're looking for affordability in Winterville, $256,490, and you pretty much are getting a townhome, but you're getting your own private place where you're getting a backyard and you're looking for privacy, this might be the perfect home for you. I can't wait to talk to you. Alan Victoria, 252-327-3357. Talk to you later.